Yo, it's your boy Track, man. You already know what's going on, man. We outside. It ain't too pretty out, but look, we still doing maintenance, man. We got the new tires today on the Demon, and we out here getting the motherfucker washed up today, so that's how we coming, man. Goddamn rewrap the hood, put the Demon face on the top. Dare to be different, man. That's how I come. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, we getting it cleaned up out here, man. Come to Tent Land, man. If you ever in my city, man, come to Tent Land, man. You feel me? They gonna get you right together. You feel me? They do tents, wash, and they fuck with the rims, wheels. You feel me? They do a little bit of everything, man. Yeah, most definitely, goddamn. This is where we at with it. Got my dog in that motherfucking tent, something up, something so stupid, man. You hear me? Got Big Bro right here washing it, man. You know he do his big shit every time, man. You feel me? Come holler at him, no couch. You gonna get it right. Yeah, this how we coming, man. You feel me? But Demon, man, look, y'all let me know what else we doing, man. Like I said, we got the hood wrap, Demon face on top. That's really all I done did right now. I'm thinking about doing the little Demon light, you feel me, on the eyes. Getting it right together up here. 315s all the way around. No, we ain't playing, man. Look, yeah, y'all stay tuned. I got a busy day ahead of me. My number that say number what? 1686, man. No count.
Top 30 in the bitch, this bitch was 2 times 2. I can't just argue with no kid, I carry 762. That little nigga made the scatter, they ain't put him on the nose. I know y'all
play the Demon up, man. She's sturdy. Good 93, man. Yeah, I don't know what we on tonight, man. I'm supposed to be linking up gang now, man. Trying to see if they gonna pop out, man. Pop it for real. Good Saturday night, man. Damn, this motherfucker going slow. I'm gonna be here forever, man. And y'all know what the Phillips is, man. Look how slow that motherfucker going. So yeah, today we got new tires, oil change. You know, I've been really working on maintenance, man. Doing all maintenance to it, man, before I start going crazy. I did show y'all, I rewrapped the hood, put the Demon on it, man. Everybody do it on the side, man, but I dare to be different every time, man. So I'm going Demon on the hood, man. I ain't playing. Yo, yeah, we back outside, man. I had to go home, man. Put that Hill Star on, man. Shout out to Hill Star, man. No cap. Yeah, man. We been in Demon all day. Waiting on my partner to pull up, you feel me? We at the pit. Shit, we might slide through the city, man. I just got new tires, man, but I don't feel like sliding them. I might do a little something, though, you feel me? Just a little something, man. Not nothing too major, though. Gang outside, man. The gold motherfucking pack, man. The gold package, man. Wild body motherfucker. What up, my nigga? How you break your hand, thug? Man, B, you know something? Like that SRT motherfucker, that G. Hear me? Cow. Brass in the 5-0. Feel me? 5-0 motherfucker. The Demon.
That's not no cat, man. That's some
I like how that bitch choke at the end, fool. No cat, like it ain't got no more breath in the hole.
Yeah. Damn.